In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can buy Straddle on the ThinkOrSwim platform. So to get straight into it, what you can see is for this example, we're going to be looking at the SPY, so the S&P 500 ETF. And all you would want to do is come down to the option chain again, pick your expiration. So let's say you want to go out, say 20 days or 27 days. What you would do is you open that expiration. And now there's two ways you can do it. Firstly, what you can do is you can press Control if you're on Windows, and what you can do is basically click on the buy the put at the 420, and then you also buy the call at 420. So you can see that would create for you your straddle, and that's how you could do it one way. But another way you can do it, and especially if you're looking at probably what's the best for your money straddle, the easier way to do it is you can come up to here, click spread. And then again, you can change this to straddle, and then this will show you how much it costs to get a straddle. And again, now you can click on basically either side. It's the same thing because it's buying both the call and the put. So if we're looking at, say, the 420 straddle, what we do is left click. Again, if you left click on the ask, that will buy the straddle. If you left click on the bid, that will sell the straddle. But again, you can always adjust it manually on this side. That would be to sell the straddle. That would be to buy the straddle. And again, we can do that same thing, analyze trade, if you wanted to see what your risk to reward is on this straddle. So again, you're risking, it's what going to be whatever your debit is. So let's say it's $1,350. Your max risk is $1,350. And then again, if it does a big move either way, you could be up, if it goes to 460, you'll be up 2,600. If it goes down to 380, you'll also be up 2,600. That's how the straddle works. That's how you can set it up on ThinkOrSwim. If you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this video here.